Hello, dear students. Today we will discuss an interesting topic from class 8th. We will choose the topic. The name of the topic is global warming. It has been written by or it has been compiled by Enamur Rahman. The author or the writer is the Enamur Rahman. So, global warming, it is a universal problem uh, people face across the globe, because we know that there are global warming, and it is due to pollution caused, because we see that different pollutants they mix with our atmosphere, or they contaminate our atmosphere, and it is having an adverse means it is having negative effect, or we can say it is having bad effect on the lives of all creatures, not only human beings, not only we people, but it is having negative impact on all creatures. Okay, so we will see how Anamur Rahman discuss the global warming problem. Okay, global problem, how it is caused, how it is, what are its effects, what are the preventive measures. That means how we can prevent, or we can stop, or we can reduce this process, global warming, or how we can mitigate this problem, how we can mitigate or we can say what are the steps which we should take to stop this global warming. We cannot stop, but we can decrease its impact. Okay, we can decrease its impact. So these are the things which we will discuss in this chapter. So at, at the outset I will tell you the first question which we will discuss here, that is, why has the earth's average surface temperature increased? It is the first question in your textbook. It is lesson number 3rd, global warming. It has been written by Enamur Rahman, and it in its exercise, or we can say first question is given, that is, why has the earth's average surface temperature increased? We will discuss in brief what are the causes, or how the average temperature of earth got increased. Okay, be very attentive. The earth's average surface temperature has increased due to global warming. Okay, now we will discuss what is global warming, how it is caused, how it is means how it occurs, what are the factors responsible for the global warming, what are the factors responsible for the global warming. Very good. So global warming, which has increased the concentration of greenhouse gases. Okay, greenhouse gases, we will discuss later on what are the greenhouse gases. Okay, there are different gases in this atmosphere. So we will see only those gases which are known as the greenhouse gases, means their concentration has increased. The greenhouse gases in the atmosphere produced by human activities, that is, our activities are responsible for producing greenhouse gases. um, uh, so human activities such as, what are the actions, what are the activities which human beings carry, by which these greenhouse gases are produced. First thing is deforestation. Okay, deforestation. Now question is, what is deforestation? Deforestation means when we cut the trees indiscriminately. Indiscriminately means when we go for mass destruction of the forests. Okay, so that means deforestation. So, second is the burning of fossil fuels. We know that fuels are very much required for our day-to-day life, or for our vehicles, or for factories. We use the fuel. That is second topic. So these gases, greenhouse gases, they are produced by the human activities. First activity is deforestation, that means excessive cutting of the trees. Second thing is burning of the fuels. we cannot stop burning other fuel, but we have to see, or we have to seek the alternate ways. uh, हमें alternate ways we have to seek by which we can replace the burning of fossil fuels, like we are having solar light, solar energy. We are trying to, or we are trying to biogases, some gases which are not much, which are not having much negative effect on our atmosphere. Okay, it was first question which I discussed with you. So now your question will be, sir, tell us what are these greenhouse gases, like I can say carbon monoxide and chlorofluorocarbons and other gases which we will discuss in later on in this chapter. Okay, now second question is from your textbook, that is, why the Himalayan region is called water tower of Asia. Okay, listen again, my question: why the Himalayan region is called the water tower of Asia? Okay, you see water, second word is tower. You know, we are very much familiar, means we know, familiar means we know what is the meaning of tower, because it is common word for we people, because we are having mobile towers. So it is water tower of Asia. Asia, you know that it is a continent. Asia is a continent in which we live, in which India is located. So it is a continent. We are having different continents. So we will discuss why why this Himalayan region is called water tower of Asia. Okay, we will how Enamur Rahman has discussed it in this chapter. The Himalayan region is covered of about 33,000 square kilometers. Okay, 33 square kilometers by glaciers, which act as a mother to several streams and rivers and support economy and livelihood to millions of people in several countries of Asia. Okay, glaciers first. What is the function of glaciers? Glaciers are the water reservoirs. They are the water reservoir. They provide us water economically. That means throughout the country, throughout the year, they provide us water economically. And this the water of these glaciers, they percolate, means go down in the soil. Okay, percolate means go down into the soil. So this water goes down into the soil. Then what happens? This is the water which reaches to the our springs, our we can say ponds, and sometimes in rivers and streams. This water which we get from glaciers. Okay, that is why it is known as the tower of Asia. Yes. So then economy and livelihood to millions of people in several countries of Asia, because of this water. Water is one of the vital, means most important thing which is responsible for our economy, or we can say our sustenance, which is we can say for our life, because all the activities are carried by the water. All the activities are carried by the water. uh, we can see that our food, our plants, they make food for we people. They make food for me because of the water. Okay, and water is required for the animals and other creatures. So all these things, that is why our question is, that is why water, this water tower of Asia is known as the Himalayan region, because there are rich means many. There are deposits. There are deposits of glaciers. Okay, it is because of these glaciers that they ensure we people water. Okay, these were the first two questions which I discussed with you. I hope that it will be very much beneficial for you. Inshallah, in next videos we will discuss the other questions from this global warming and other topics of your book. Thank you. God bless you for patient listening.